So we just rolled out our brand new Faceless Videos tool in Syllaby, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can use it. So right here, as soon as you log into Syllaby, you're going to be brought into the dashboard, and you're going to see this new widget here on the right-hand side, Faceless Videos. And I think we've built one of the best faceless video tools on the market because we give you so much information and customization here. So all you need to do is click on Create Video, and we walk you through this entire process here. So you can choose any one of these backgrounds that you'd like for your videos here. I believe we have like 60 or so preloaded in here. And so I'm just going to choose, let's see, maybe a fun like random ASMR style one here. You have full control over the font if you want to highlight the text or not. The text color here, so we could put white. You can choose the different language that you want. You can choose your tone of voice here. Let's go with funny. And the style, if you want to create an explainer video, tutorial, product demo, testimonial, social media video. You can also change the positioning of the text. I like center, it doesn't cut anything off. And then whatever you want to create a video around, you just type it in here. So we can type in something like why faceless videos on YouTube go viral, and then click on generate script. This is going to take a couple seconds here, but it's going to generate you a social media ready video script that's designed to perform well. And there you have it. So we have our video script generated. You can completely customize this however you'd like. And when you're ready, you can just come over here to next. We have all of these preloaded voices in here. But what you can actually do, which is really cool, is you can clone your own voice using AI within Syllaby. So you can actually have your AI voice as the voiceover within these faceless videos. So here's one of mine, for instance, and I'm just going to click on generate. And in like 2 minutes, you're going to have a completely ready social media faceless video.
Wondered why videos on YouTube with no faces, just vibes, go viral? It's like, where's Waldo? But Waldo decided to stay home.
And that's with my own voice. But then you can actually do a couple things. So you can copy the link to this to send it directly. You can download that video, or you can actually publish it directly to your social media channels. That's another thing that sets Syllaby apart from some of these other AI content creation tools and faceless video tools. You can actually link it to your social media pages and schedule and publish it directly to your platforms. This faceless video tool is now live in all Syllaby accounts. I hope you'll give it a try. If you hit any snags along the way, just click on that live chat in the bottom right-hand corner. We are always there to chat and support with you. I hope this helps you.